P3 Jumpers, Madco, June 2013. Gracie, are you still there? Now she knows she's there.
Yeah.
That's Gracie, by the way, in case you don't know.
Hello.
What? Did he go to the other ring
I think so.
and do an A-frame?
No, he didn't do that.
I saw him go up in this thing.
Good job, Jim. You had some good spots.
I really